On February 25th, 2025, an officer with the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office clocks a vehicle doing 73 in a 55-mile-an-hour zone. The officer conducts the traffic stop, approaches the vehicle, and the driver, who is dressed in a military uniform, does not comply with any of his commands and engages her in conversation.
Good afternoon. Hey, Colonel, you want to roll your window down?
No.
Why not?
Why are you detaining me?
I'm not detaining you, Colonel. I'm stopping you for doing 63 miles an hour in a 40-mile-an-hour zone. I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
Do you have proof of the speed?
Yes, I do. It's on my radar, ma'am.
May I see it?
No, you may not. 227. Send me another unit. I also had you doing 73 further down the road. I need your license, your insurance, and your registration.
Can I see the radar, please?
No, ma'am. You're not entitled to see my radar.
You're incriminating me on something, and you're saying that I'm not allowed to see
Colonel, I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
I would like to see your supervisor.
227. Can you send me a supervisor? I need your license, insurance, and registration.
When your supervisor comes, sir.
You also don't have a seatbelt on.
What is your badge number, sir?
1721. It's my permanent ID number.
Okay, your name?
Deputy McKenzie. It's right here, ma'am.
I'm reaching in my car.
Go ahead. 227. She's refusing to provide driver's license, insurance, and registration, or roll her window down. Is there a reason why you sat at that green light for several seconds? Sitting there at the green light?
No, not really.
Didn't want to make your turn? With a green arrow, you didn't want to make your turn?
Is there something wrong about...
Sitting at a green light with a turn signal giving you the authority to pass through the intersection. Yeah, most people, when they get a green light, they drive.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This car stop is very peculiar for a lot of reasons, but let's start from the very beginning. The officer approaches and is very polite, in fact, respectful to the degree that he addresses the driver by their military rank, which means that he has some connection to the military by knowing what her rank is. The fact that she does not roll the window down is very interesting because most of the time police and military people, especially if they're in uniform, are extraordinarily respectful. And then to challenge the radar that the officer had was another thing. And then this not wanting to provide the information, which is required by law to provide as a driver of a vehicle. The other thing was the fact that she would not turn left on the green signal is another thing that would make me start to think, is there something medical going on? Is there something potentially substance going on? Because stopping like that and not going on the green is something that does not normally happen. The other thing is her movements are kind of slow and deliberate, and it's a very weird cadence that I'm seeing in her movements.
Hey, it's a lieutenant colonel. I had her doing 73 down there, and then in the 40 I had her doing 63. She sat at the green turn signal, and she's refusing to roll her window down or provide any documentation. And I figured, why not get you here before I rip her out of a car? Do you want to talk to her before I get her out?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you gonna roll your window down all the way?
No, can you hear me?
I can't. Problem.
I don't know. Your officer stopped me, and he won't let me see the radar.
You stopped first. Well, if you want to see the radar, you have to step out of the vehicle so you can see it. It's not a handheld device.
I don't have to step out of the
You do by Florida law. So I'm not going to argue with you. What's going to happen is you're either going to roll the window down and cooperate from here on out,
What are you detaining me
or
for?
right now you're impeding an investigation
I'm investigating for what?
for a traffic violation.
What was the traffic violation?
I already
Speeding.
explained to you, ma'am. You're doing
Okay,
63 in a 40-mile-an-hour construction zone.
I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So either you cooperate from here on out, or we're going to break the window and pull you out of the vehicle, and you're going to go to jail. It's that simple.
You're going to break my window and vandalize the car?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
you're going to go to jail
For what?
for not cooperating.
Not only by Florida law, Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, the Supreme Court ruled that police have the right to request a person to step out of a vehicle. They've said that it's a minimal intrusion to your Fourth Amendment privilege, and officer safety is highly valued.
So I'm asking you one more time, are you going to cooperate, or are they going to have to take you to jail?
Why are you taking me to jail?
Because you're not cooperating. It's just that simple.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, but you're refusing to provide all the documentation that you want, that you're supposed to provide.
I'm traveling
Okay.
on my way home.
Okay, but the United States Supreme Court says that we can have you step out of the vehicle during any traffic violation, during any investigation. So you are violating the law. So you can argue with me all you want. In the end, you're incorrect and you're wrong. Whatever you learned on the internet, book is all incorrect. It's not the truth. It's not right. The Florida Supreme Court has said, if I tell you to step out of the vehicle on a traffic violation, you will step out of the vehicle. So that's what I'm ordering you right now. You either cooperate and step out of the vehicle right now, or they're going to break your window, unlock your door, open the door, and pull you out of the car. And instead of just cooperating and getting a traffic violation, you're going to spend the night in jail. So are you prepared to spend the night in jail? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you prepared to spend the rest of the night in jail? Huh? Okay, break the window and take her out.
Hey, that glass went my eye! Hey!
Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Are you fucking Freemasons? Hey!
Put your hands.
Hey! You cut my face and you broke my glasses!
Can we have EMS come check her eyes out? Yep.
You need to send an ambulance!
I just requested it.
Glass is in my eye!
Yep. Just sit you up. You gonna stay here and be nice?
Sir, my glasses and you...
Right there.
They're right behind you.
Okay. There's glass in
Yep.
my eye.
We've got an ambulance coming.
And there is no crime.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There is no crime.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant Colonel, but there's definitely a crime.
There's none, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully. You will be getting sued, and if there is injury and scarring to my eye, you're going to be sued, sir, and you're going to lose your job.
It's okay.
How many of you are Brotherhood members?
What the hell is that?
You're Freemason?
Nope.
You sure?
Absolutely.
How about you?
Nope.
What's your name?
Deputy Casey.
Deputy Casey.
Yep.
Ma'am, are you under the influence of anything?
No, sir, I am not.
Is there a specific reason why Lieutenant Colonel of the United States Air Force is acting in such a manner?
Because your actions are unconstitutional.
Yeah, unfortunately that's incorrect.
It is not correct.
That's what I just said. I'm almost positive she might be under the influence of something. There's no way. Doing a vehicle inventory?
Yeah, she has a whole bunch of cash right here.
Okay.
She got receipts on them. Look at it.
I'll just go ask her. I don't want to touch. Are you part of a booster club or?
No, sir.
I want to make sure this goes with you so you don't lose any of it, okay? Is this all there was that was in there? This is a lot, most people don't roll around with this kind of cash.
Sorry, I can't even see what you're doing.
Okay. I've got several stacks of money.
Yes.
Okay, we're inventorying your vehicle. Are you like a booster club president or?
No, sir, that's my cash.
Okay. All right. We're going to make sure this goes with you, okay? And it'll be accounted for, and the jail will give you a receipt for all of the cash, okay? Yes.
So you searched my bag and you searched my car?
No, we're inventorying your vehicle because it's getting towed.
No, because you're
As soon as your eye gets checked out, you're going in the back of my car and you're leaving.
Mm-hmm.
We are inventorying your vehicle before it gets towed.
Sir,
it will
it's
go to a
illegal
tow lot.
Seizure and
No.
search. It's
No.
illegal seizure and search.
Oh my God! I'm not taking this from you. I'm trying to make sure we have it all so that you get it back.
You are illegally searching my vehicle.
You know what? I'll just leave it in there.
It's not a search.
You just want me to leave it in there for the tow truck driver? Like a tip?
Sir, you had to go through a book bag to get the cash.
Oh,
Yes,
my God.
to do an inventory of the vehicle to see if there's any
Just-
valuable
anyways,
possessions.
she didn't want to get out. Baton her window. She's got some glass in her face. Just want to make sure she's good to go before we take her up to jail.
Well, I mean, we can't say she's got glass in her eye.
Right. Well, you tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to be following y'all to the hospital or whatever.
Are you wanting to go to the hospital?
I would like to, so that the eye can be checked out. May I have my phone, please?
Not right now. It'll go with you when you go.
No, I would like my phone.
That's
I
not
have a
how it
right to
works.
contact.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
Okay.
No, look, this is how you ended yourself in handcuffs.
You don't tell me how to cop.
Sir, you don't know how to cop. Where is my phone?
Where you last left it.
May I have my phone to make contact?
What the hell is that?
What is that? What is this?
That is probably an instrument.
Yeah, Matt, you can see that?
No needles on you? No, ma'am.
All right. Are you going to go with them? Okay, I will be following you guys.
Okay. We're gonna need the cuffs switched to the front when we get her in.
That's fine. Michelle, I'm going to request that you submit to a lawful test of urine for the purposes of determining the presence of chemical or controlled substances. Will you take the test?
No.
No. Okay. If you refuse to take the test that I've requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privileges have been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Do you still refuse to submit to the urine test?
Am I blocked from driving
You,
because I don't take a urine test?
your license will be suspended for a period of 12 months.
If it was previously suspended.
No. It's 18 months if it was previously suspended.
And not doing this means I can't drive a car.
Correct. You're driving, like I said, your driving privileges will be suspended.
All right.
Are you willing to take
Let's
these
do
tests?
the teacup.
Okay. I will have to do this with you because, right. Come on.
This stop was very peculiar to me, and I did some deeper dive into seeing who this person was. There was a weird combination between this sovereign citizen talk, what could be some type of substance challenge that the person was going through, or some type of mental health challenges. The responses and the behavior just was not consistent with what I've seen of a person who's acting and behaving normally, especially a person of a high rank as a lieutenant colonel in the United States military. The refusal at first to take the substance test is something that people don't realize that it's implied consent. Implied consent, most people don't realize, is that when you get a driver license in nearly every state, it is implied that you will submit to testing to see if you're under the influence of a substance while you're operating a motor vehicle on a public roadway. If you refuse that test in nearly every state, your license will be suspended and ultimately can be taken away for an extended period of time. It seems that after she realized that she was going to lose her license initially, she decided to take the test. One of the situations that is really peculiar when you see a military person in uniform acting in this manner. So I'm sure that there's going to be some repercussions on the military side, and ultimately no one was seriously hurt. And I hope that this lieutenant colonel has learned that the law from driving is very different from what she perceived it to be, and spending time in jail is not fun for anyone. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.